Guys, nakatikim na ba kayo ng soft shell crab burger?
Which is, ito yun, no? Yan. So, imagine this one na ginawang burger.
Yes.
So, kung excited kayo to know about it, samahan nyo kami.
Let's go. Okay, so guys, konting ikot lang tayo. So actually, it's kumbaga navigational yung dining area niya. Capacity po is around 50 seats. Pinaka-unique dito is meron siyang parang, what do you call this? Parang center bar or aisle bar, no? Look at that. So actually, it's designed for yung mga white Americans or mga Americans actually in general. Dahil ganito yung style nila sa mga diners. The ambience is actually more of yung mga western diner restaurant. And then from that section, dun yung pinaka-kitchen natin. No? So doon actually nag-shoot na sila ng mga pagkain natin. I think so. Once again, thank you so much, 544 Bar and Restaurant for inviting us. So, kanina guys, nakita nyo yung introduction namin. So, eto yun.
This is the soft shell burger.
Yeah. So, right now, they do have two variants or two flavors for it. So, later on, titigman natin sila.
This is my first time na makakita ng ganitong klaseng burger.
Yes.
Maliban siyempre, meron tayo dito yung mga smash burger na talagang American size.
Ang lalaki nila, guys. I mean, when you order this one for Filipino, I believe it's shareable.
Yes.
No?
Actually, yeah.
But for foreigners, I mean, when they designed everything, this one's their staple. Ito yung isa lang sa mga nila, kinakain nila. Diba?
Talagang lahat ng mga natin dito are big size.
Big sizes.
Yes, diba? Shareable, ang lalaki, kumbaga sa layman's term, yung mga American size.
American size, di ba? Alright, so look at the sandwiches. Ayan guys, so again, this is our shareable. They do also have this one, ito yung biscuit and yung parang gravy.
Yes.
So sa kanila daw, ito yung parang pinaka-staple. It's like pandesal sa atin, parang pandesal sa umaga.
Ako naman na-impress ako dito sa mga, maliban sa steak, na rib eye. Meron tayong mga Celtical na
Wagyu.
At the same time, meron din tayong Wagyu na skewer.
Yeah.
This is one.
And check out their supreme pizza. Diba? Ang laki rin, no? For sure, dapat may kasama ka.
Actually, dapat nga talaga may kasama ka. Or grupo kayo.
Or group.
Diba?
They also have yung mga all-day breakfast. They call this one 544 Big Breakfast ata. And this is their American way of, having the breakfast. Isa rin sa mga na-surprise ako guys is yung kanilang UFO burger.
Ang laki. Ang laki ng patty.
And actually, they give us the freedom. You can eat it as a sandwich or burger or para siyang
Salad.
kainin mo siya as salad.
On the side.
Ayun.
Yes.
Okay, so additionally, they have yung mga pasta natin and also American meatloaf. Different kind of meatloaf.
Yes.
Okay, so and guys, we want, take too long kasi gusto na namin tikman ito.
I'm excited to taste them.
Which one are you gonna go first, bro?
I'll go first yung kanilang soft crab burger.
Okay, I'll go for the Wagyu naman.
This one, yung flavor nito, ito yung kanilang duck side barbecue crunch. So, parang barbecue flavor. Pero, nandito pa rin yung soft shell crab. So, let's taste it. Saan kaya natin uunahin?
Galamay. Aray ko!
Napakalambot niya, even though it's a crab. Hindi mo na kailangan ng pampalasa. Yung crab parang malasa na. Let's taste more.
Alright.
Siyempre, kapag Wagyu, yan. Always number one yan. So, Kushiyaki Wagyu Skewer. Yan. Okay, let's taste.
So one of their sandwiches. Check this out, guys. So since this is too much of the size, it's too big. So let's cut it in half. And good thing, itong sandwich na to has a dip. Yan, so eto siya guys. So wala naman daw right or wrong dito. So let's just dunk it like this. Ooh. Yan. First time for a sandwich to dip, no? Alright, cheers. That's too big. Lambot.
Ang sarap.
Dip
Actually,
or sauce.
hindi na kailangan ng dip or sauce. Malasa-malasa, napakalambot, and napakasarap niya. Promise. Tingnan mo naman, oh.
Ayan o.
Next ko naman titikman is yung kanilang Wagyu salpikaw. And then, let's put 1 Wagyu cubes on top, just like this. Alright. You know. And then get a little spoonful rice. There you go. Cheers, guys. Bisin natin. Oh. Ginawa yung Wagyu, para siyang no need to chew. Sobrang lambot, guys.
Siyempre.
Laking calzone, no?
Buong pizza yan, bro.
Yeah, biggest so far. Gusto mo yan, Mark?
Sarap.
You like that?
Maganda siguro dito, to add some kick, meron siyang hot sauce. Pero, ito pa lang napakasarap na.
So, there you have it, guys. Another place for you to check out. And we would like to thank 544 Bar and Restaurant for inviting us. Grabe, it's a new discovery, no?
At the same time, yung mga food dito talagang pang western na western.
Yeah. Testimony nila dito, lalo ng mga foreigners, they say that it's tastes like home.
Yes.
Yeah, so finally,
To wrap it up,
yeah, so thank you so much for these cocktails. If you're looking for these kinds of speakeasy bar, para siyang ganun, no? Not too loud, and you have some, spirits, wines, mga alcohol for you to chill. I think this is a place to go.
I could say na the food, not too loud, pero yung mga food
Oh
talaga,
yeah, they are loud.
loud. They are loud.
Yes,
Big
so
and loud, yeah.
They're open from 6:30 a.m.
Yes.
hanggang 11 p.m. every day.
So that's a breakfast until like midnight dinner.
Yeah.
Or chill time.
Chill time.
Chill time, yes.
And they are located po dito sa may Rossa Hotel, dito sa may Juico, Angeles City. So ayun guys, if you like this video, if you like the food you saw in this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and we hope to see you here and on our next video.
That's it. Thank you for watching. We're in Pampanga. Until our next discovery.
Cheers! Cheers, cheers, cheers.
Here's your own.
Yeah, cheers.
Nakita ko paano ginawa natin. Puro ano yun eh.
Ano na?
Lasang
Alcohol.